Exactly how much did Snapchat creators make this year? Specifically, with its new Spotlight feature, Snapchat has paid out more than $250 million among 12,000 Spotlight creators spread out across 348 days. Doing the math, that's around $20,000 per creator, which isn't half bad. Snapchat has always been crowned as being the leader in the AR field. When it comes to AR lens and simulated filters and special effects, there's no denying Snapchat's prominence and cultural influence. Even so, the arrival and subsequent rise of TikTok made Snap push its innovation further, lest it fall behind this newest player. Snapchat launched Spotlight back in November 2020 and used the lure of paying out up to $1 million a day to creators, which was to be divided among top performing clips. This was later revised to a more vague millions per month. The change was apparently made to address several issues concerning payments, including transaction errors, delays, and of course, to stem the potentially draining impacts of having to cash out $1 million daily so the creators are kept happy and content. Originally, this setup, the Spotlight Direct Funding Program, was Snapchat's defense against creators migrating to TikTok. After the change, things got pretty hectic since a lot of creators have come to rely on the funding as a source of income and livelihood, highlighting the possible disadvantage of direct funding programs. Alternatively, Spotlight's adoption of what's essentially a TikTok-like format emphasizes just how much TikTok has come to influence the entire social media landscape. For the most part, despite all the financial fiasco, Spotlight overall has been a big success.